energy, so it goes and flies really high, and it uses the power of the sun to keep
Today
moving.
we have 23 students visiting Boeing, learning about the aerospace industry. They're also completing hands-on activities and designing a structure and a phantom eye activity. They're having an opportunity to connect with Boeing staffing, researchers and engineers to learn about the career, learn about what shaped their interests, and providing them important information to help them identify what particular fields they would like to pursue in the future as a student or as a professional. And we feel it's important to provide students activities that are relevant to their everyday life, that introduces them to the rigor and wonder of these fields, but then also to provide them an opportunity to have fun while they're learning so that they will be able to identify what is important to them.